Mastering the use of phrasal verbs in negative sentences. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our intermediate grammar series. Today, we're going to dive deep into a particularly tricky but rewarding aspect of English, phrasal verbs. Specifically, we're looking at how to use these in negative sentences. This is a powerful tool for sounding more natural in your English conversations, so let's get started. Before we start using phrasal verbs in negative sentences, let's remind ourselves of what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. Examples include give up, run out, or check in. Now, let's see how to use these verbs in negative sentences. When we want to make a negative sentence with a phrasal verb, we usually add not between the main verb and the particle, adverb or preposition. For example, he gave up becomes he did not give up, or in short form, he didn't give up. Now, let's look at some more examples. 1. I decided not to put off my homework. Instead of, I decided to put off my homework. 2. She doesn't look up to her brother anymore. Instead of, she looks up to her brother. 3. We didn't run out of sugar. Instead of, we ran out of sugar. 4. They are not checking in today. Instead of, they are checking in today. Notice how the not changes the entire meaning of the sentence. To reinforce what we've learned, let's do a quick practice exercise. Try to convert these sentences into negative ones using phrasal verbs. 1. You should stand by your friends. 2. He is going to pick up some groceries. 3. They are catching up with their studies. And that's it. We've now explored how to use phrasal verbs in negative sentences, which is a fantastic way to enrich your English communication skills. Remember, like any other aspect of language learning, mastering phrasal verbs takes practice. So don't shy away from using them in your daily conversations. I hope this lesson has been helpful, and as always, happy learning.